Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free points on Temu. This actually works on your phone, guys. It's super insane. So as you can see, guys, right here I got my phone, so I can actually do this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So just keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get rich on Temu. It's super insane, guys, and I can't even believe it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. And just get the word out about the method, guys, because it's super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Let's go. Guys, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get rich on Temu, okay? So what you need to do, guys, is follow my video. We're going to go ahead and follow it together. So as you can see, I got Temu++, and I can get unlimited points. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So what you need to do, guys, is go to your browser. We're going to go over to Google. And once we're on Google, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Zoomod. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and load right here. I have a horrible connection, so it's going to take forever, but we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load here, as you guys can see. Alright, so yeah, this is literally the worst connection known to the world. I'll pause the video and resume it if I have to, but once you get onto this site, guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and type in Zoomods. Alright, so let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in Zoomods. Alright. So once the site comes up, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in Temu. So as you can see right here, it says Temu. And you just press on the mods and start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out, because this actually works super insane. Haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. And just get the word out about this method, guys, because it's super insane. I'm really happy with it. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So I hope you guys liked the video. Definitely try it out. It's super insane, and I got really rich on Temu with this method. So it worked fine for me. As you guys can see, it is super cool, guys. So I hope you guys liked the video. Definitely try it out for yourself, and you can get rich. It's easy. So yeah, if you like my video, guys, definitely try it out. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, it's super awesome. What the hell, bro? How did it even work? So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in a future video. And peace out, yo.